Welcome to the world of modern manufacturing, where every moment counts. But in the fast-paced rhythm of production, unforeseen challenges can arise, threatening to disrupt workflow and efficiency. At IGear, we've spent decades immersed in the manufacturing landscape, understanding the crucial importance of machines, manpower, and productivity. We recognize the high cost of downtime, the challenge of finding skilled personnel, and the constant pressure to achieve more with less. Like you, we know your team members strive every day to deliver quality products and meet ever-growing demands. But amid their drive for excellence, unpredictable events can get in the way. From a machine failure to an urgent call for help from the line, these events can happen at any time. When they occur, the immediate question is, now what? That's why we created SQUEAKS, a modern productivity platform built on the foundation of proven manufacturing principles. SQUEAKS is more than just an alert system. It's a digital ally designed to empower your team, enhance productivity, and streamline operations. More often than not, these alerts or concerning events are made visible on a wide range of HMI systems. In this video, we will showcase how SQUEAKS complements HMIs by extending visibility and driving action to shorten response times. For example, meet David, a quality engineer at a local bottling plant. Today, he uses a two-way radio to communicate quality concerns, but with SQUEAKS, he receives real-time alerts providing at-a-glance feedback, slashing response times from minutes to seconds. David receives a quality alert for an inconsistent fill level detection. He immediately takes ownership of the alert by selecting Got It. With SQUEAKS, users can create customizable workflows that streamline problem solving, provide step-by-step guidance, work instructions, and supporting documents to expedite a resolution. SQUEAKS goes beyond pushing a real-time alert to your cell phone. It keeps the process moving forward with closed-loop feedback provided along the way. David is taking longer than expected to complete the task. Since the SQUEAK has been in the working on it state for longer than 3 minutes, it has now been escalated to the quality manager, Pam. SQUEAKS allows you to define the escalation process, set notification preferences, and ensure that issues are addressed promptly by the right personnel. When Pam receives the alert, she instantly knows that David needs her help. Together, they solve the quality issue by removing the affected bottles from the production line. Once the job is done, David completes the SQUEAK. From Got It to complete, SQUEAKS maintains a digital trail of every action taken. But SQUEAKS isn't just about push notifications and workflows. It's about extending visibility and driving accountability. With rich, meaningful content attached to every alert, SQUEAKS provides unparalleled insight into your operations. As a Microsoft certified partner, SQUEAKS is now fully integrated with Microsoft Teams, allowing users to receive alerts in Teams chats and channels. Users can also access their SQUEAKS homepage directly through the Teams app, providing a portal into the SQUEAKS web client. A feature unique to the SQUEAKS app in Microsoft Teams is the SQUEAKS bot. The SQUEAKS bot can pull important plant information into the chat. For example, you can ask the SQUEAKS bot to return relevant reports, metrics, dashboards, and OneSource boards into the chat. So don't let unexpected events slow you down. Upgrade to SQUEAKS today and stay ahead of the curve, because in manufacturing, certain alerts cannot be ignored.